To iTeam8 now, and a new choice for many Indiana families of college students. In addition to books and room and supplies, they're getting insurance in case they have to leave school because of the coronavirus. iTeam8's Richard Essex explains.
Well, tuition insurance is similar to travel insurance. For about $1,000 at many in-state schools, you can protect your tuition investment.
Colleges and universities have been making plans to safely bring students back to campus. Recently, the coronavirus here in Indiana has hit college-age people hard. There's a safety net for parents concerned about sending their children and thousands of their hard-earned dollars to campus in the middle of a global pandemic.
And so if a student withdraws for ordinary illnesses like mono or injuries like a concussion, or even in the case of getting sick with COVID-19, our tuition insurance will pay their housing, their tuition, their academic fees, and the total financial loss that they've experienced.
Most universities and colleges offer some type of tuition reimbursement if the student leaves campus within the first couple of weeks of school. Indiana and Purdue University offer 100% reimbursement during the first week of school, but zero reimbursement after 6 weeks. If you or your college-age student gets sick or injured, you are responsible for the full tuition. There are 3 tuition insurance companies that offer some type of policy for tuition reimbursement: Liberty Mutual, Doers, and GradGuard. And there are exceptions to these policies.
A couple things that tuition insurance does not pay for. It's not dropout insurance. It's also not meant to pay a claim in the case of the disruption of classes. So if a school decides to send everybody home, tuition insurance doesn't pay for that.
Fees also says that the policy will not pay if the student is afraid to come back to campus due to the virus. The cost of the policies vary from school to school, but the rule of thumb is about 1% of the price of tuition.
Many of these policies also cover tuition if the student leaves campus for mental health, substance abuse, or injuries that are not self-inflicted. Butler, Notre Dame, and Purdue have arrangements with tuition insurance companies. Now, students at other universities can buy a policy, but the policy is going to be a little bit higher in price. For more information on these tuition companies, we have links on our website. Richard Essex, WishTV, WishTV.com, and follow us on Facebook.